Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll explore a JavaScript program to find the number that appears most frequently in a given array, also known as the mode of the array. Let's get started. The goal is to identify the mode of the array, which is the number that appears most frequently. If there are multiple modes, this program returns the first one it encounters. This function uses an array to count the occurrences of each number in the input array and determines the mode based on the highest count. The program uses two loops, one for initialization and another to count and determine the mode. The process ensures efficient identification of the most frequent element. In this example, the number 2 appears the most frequently with a count of 3. Therefore, the output is 2. In this case, both 4 and 3 have the same frequency of 3. The program will output 4 because it appears first in the array. The ES6 version leverages modern JavaScript syntax like array fill and forEach for a more concise and readable implementation. The program's efficiency comes from its linear time complexity for counting. For larger datasets or numbers outside of the range of 1 to 10, a map could be used to store frequencies dynamically. In summary, we've explored a straightforward approach to find the most frequent element in an array, optimizing it with modern JavaScript features. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.